Good morning to all students. Once again, welcome on online classes. In today's lecture of class 9, lecture 3rd, we discuss the representation of data in graph form. Second method, that is the histogram. So, in previous lecture, we already discussed about the histogram. Histogram is a continuous form of representing the data in the graphical form. For that, we already discussed first, if class interval is not equal, is not in continuous form, then how we will convert in continuous form. Second is to convert the unequal class interval into equal class interval. How we will convert the unequal class interval into the equal class interval? For that, one formula, that is adjusted frequency. So what did you mean by the adjusted frequency? Frequency of a given class divided by class size multiply by the minimum class size. Frequency of the given class divided by the class size multiply by the minimum class size. So for that, how we will convert? We will take one example. Class interval and frequencies are given to you. Class interval is given to you 0 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 80. And for that, their frequencies are given to 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then here students, first of all, that the class interval is equal or not. Here class interval is not equal. Here class interval is 20, here 10, here 20, here 10, 20. Equal nahi hai. So we will write down here the adjusted frequency, new block. Then how we will make the adjusted frequency? For that formula, फर्स्ट ब्लॉक के लिए देखो कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे. फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द गिवन क्लास, व्हाट इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द गिवन क्लास? 2. क्लास साइज, क्लास डिफरेंस क्या आ रहा है? 20 मल्टीप्लाई. व्हाट इज द मिनिमम क्लास साइज? हियर व्हाट इज द मिनिमम डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू क्लास? आपको चेक करना है. देन व्हाट इज द मिनिमम डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू क्लास? 20, 10, 20, 10, 20. सो व्हाट इज द मिनिमम डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू क्लास? टू क्लास के बीच मिनिमम डिफरेंस क्या है? 10, 10, 2, 2, 2 कैंसिल. दैट व्हाट विल कम? सेकंड के लिए कैलकुलेट करो. फ्रीक्वेंसी फॉर क्लास साइज 10, मिनिमम 10, क्या बना? 4. थर्ड वन 6 डिवाइड बाई 20 मल्टीप्लाई 10, 2, क्या बना? 3. नेक्स्ट 8 डिवाइड बाई 10 मल्टीप्लाई 10, that form 8. And at last 10 divide 20, 10 to 5, क्या बना? That is. So how you will convert the unequal class interval into the equal class interval? By using the adjusted frequency. क्या करना आपको? किससे? adjusted frequency से क्या करना है? उसको कन्वर्ट करना है. आपने एडजस्टेड फ्रीक्वेंसी से कन्वर्ट कर लिया. नाउ हाउ वी विल ड्रॉ द हिस्टोग्राम. अब आपको क्या करना है स्टूडेंट? इसकी का हिस्टोग्राम बनाना है. सो हाउ वी विल ड्रॉ द हिस्टोग्राम? फॉर दैट वन 0 ऑन एक्स एक्सिस वी कंसिडर द क्लास इंटरवल and on y-axis we consider the frequency. But here we will take that new frequency, adjusted frequency. क्लास इंटरवल फॉर्म करो 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Now we will take the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now first 0 to 20, what is the frequency? New frequency 1. So 0 to 20 we will take new frequency 1. 20 to 30 is the 4. 20 to 30, that is 4. 30 to 50 is 3. 30 to 50 is 3. 30 to 50, 3. 50 to 60 is 8. 50 to 60, 8. 8. 60 to 80 is 5. 60 to 80 is that 5. Now we will write down here scale. On scale x axis क्या होगा? One big block is equals to 10 units, and on y axis one big block is equals to 1 units, or we can write down 1 centimeter. Understand? So that is the histogram if class interval is not same. अगर आपके पास class interval क्या नहीं है, equal नहीं है. Now second question, if class interval discontinuous. So one question we will do for discontinuous also. एक क्वेश्चन किसका डिस्कस करते हैं? डिसकंटिन्यूस का डिस्कस करते हैं. So for discontinuous, class interval and frequency given to you 10 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50 and 51 to 60. Their frequency given 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So draw the histogram. So before drawing the histogram, firstly we will check that the given class interval is in its continuous form or not. So क्या given class interval continuous form में है? Is given class interval is in continuous form? 20, 21, 30, 31, 40, 41, 50, 51. क्या ये continuous form में है? No. So our first work is that we will convert the given class interval into its continuous form. पहले इसको किस में कन्वर्ट करोगे? continuous form में कन्वर्ट करोगे. continuous form में कन्वर्ट करो. So new class interval. How we will convert it into continuous form? coming class की lower limit क्या है? 21 minus previous class upper limit 20 divided by 2, 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Now 0.5 we will add in upper class limit and 0.5 will subtract from lower class limit. So क्या बनेगा? new 9.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 50.5 and 50.5 to 60.5. Now that convert into the continuous form of class interval. आपने इनको क्या किया है? continuous form of class interval में convert कर लिया. Now we will draw the histogram. 0 directly start 9.5 से 10. So we will take the 9.5 to 22.5, that all. So 0, that directly we will start here 9.5, then 10, 10, 9.5 to 20.5. So what is the difference between 9.5 to 20.5? 9.5, then 20.5, then 30.5, 30.5 after 40.5, then 50.5 and 60.5. Starting starting interval is 9.5, then after is 10. Not same, so we will mention here one form, that is the zigzag, meaning that class interval is not same. Now values we consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, that is y axis. इस पे क्या कंसिडर कर रहे हो? फ्रीक्वेंसी. And on x axis we consider the class interval. Now 9.5 to 20.5 frequency 2. Frequency is 2. 20.5 to 30.5 frequency is 3. 30.5 to 40.5 frequency is 4. 40.5 to 50.5 frequency is 5. 40.5 to 50 है, इसको 50 कंसिडर कर लो. 50.5. 50.5 to 60.5 6. Now we will write down here scale on x-axis. One big block is equals to how many distance? 10 centimeter. And on y-axis also, one big block is equals to 1 centimeter. One big block 10 centimeter and y-axis one big block is equals to 1 centimeter. Understand? So that is the all about the histogram. How we will draw the histogram for two conditions are available there. Firstly we will check that the given class interval is equal or not, and second condition is that if class interval is equal, then it is continuous form or not. Now in bar graph also, student, in your book given to double bar graph, so you can easily draw double bar graph. वर्क सेम है आपका, उसमें क्या करना है? 2 बार्स बनाने, 2 रेक्टेंगुलर शेप्स बनानी, दैट इज द डबल बार ग्राफ. नाउ थर्ड पॉइंट इज दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगन. हाउ वी विल रिप्रेजेंट द डाटा इन फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगन फॉर्म. अब देखो फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगन फॉर्म में कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करोगे डाटा को. थर्ड इज दैट frequency polygon. In frequency polygon, firstly we will find out the midpoints of the rectangular bar, then after we'll join. So in frequency polygon we will find out the midpoints of bar, then after we will join. Now in frequency polygon also two method. First is frequency polygon with histogram, and second is that frequency polygon without histogram. With histogram, how we will draw the frequency polygon, and without histogram, how we will draw the frequency polygon. Now we will discuss. First is frequency polygon with histogram. How we will draw the frequency polygon with a histogram. For that, one question is given to you, students. Class interval and frequency 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40 and 40 to 50. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 6, 3 and 5. Now how we will draw the frequency polygon with the histogram? For that firstly we will draw the histogram. क्या बनाऊं? हिस्टोग्राम ड्रॉ करोगे. We consider here negative side also. Origin on y-axis. Y-axis पे क्या कंसिडर कर रहे हो? Frequency. And on x-axis what we consider here the class interval. चलो class interval फॉर्म करो. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 0 to 10 frequency is 2. 0 to 10 frequency is 2. 10 to 20 frequency is 4. 10 to 20 their frequency is 4. 20 to 30 frequency is 6. 20 to 30 frequency is that 6. 30 to 40 frequency is 3. 30 to 40 students frequency is 3. And next 40 to 50 frequency is 5. 40 to 50 frequency is that 5. Histogram बना लिया. Now how we will draw the frequency polygon? Now second work we will find out the midpoint of each and every bar. Find out करो. 0 to 10 midpoint is here on 5. Here midpoint 15, 25, 35, 45. 45 after value will come 55. And before 5 where will come minus 10. So here minus 5 will come or not? Point A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now join all of them. A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F and F to G. That we obtained the frequency polygon with the histogram. Then scale on x-axis one big block is equals to 10 centimeter and on y-axis one big block is equals to 1 cm. X-axis one big block is equals to 10 centimeter. Y-axis one big block is equals to 1 centimeter. So that is the first case, that how we will draw the frequency polygon with the help of the histogram. Understand? So frequency polygon with histogram students क्या करना है? सिंपल है. Firstly you will draw the histogram. पहले आपको histogram बनाना है. After that you will join their midpoint, but compulsory is that you will join their preceding midpoint also and succeeding midpoints also. जो लास्ट पॉइंट आ रहा है उसके आफ्टर कमिंग पॉइंट को भी ज्वाइन करवाओगे और जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है उससे बिफोर पॉइंट आ रहा है उसको भी ज्वाइन. सो दैट इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगन. नाउ सेकंड टॉपिक इज दैट frequency polygon without histogram, that we will discuss in next lecture. So in today lecture we discuss about the histogram, two cases, if in continuous form not and if class interval is not continuous. Second is if class size are not equal, then how we will convert. Second is the frequency polygon. Frequency polygon में क्या discuss किया है students? Frequency polygon with the histogram. Okay, thank you.